Two bodge wires are now installed. I'm very bad at soldering. This took much longer than it ever should have, but we definitely have continuity where we did not previously. For example, this whole trace stopped there, and gee, I wonder why. But now, this is seriously so not easy to do with a single hand, but and similarly on the black one, and then this third one didn't actually have any problems in the first place, which was nice. Let me just get that probe to stand up and wrong test point, hold on. So yeah, anyway, now that those bodges are there, I think I'm going to try it again. See if it releases the magic smoke, which I'm really hoping it doesn't. The original motherboard is back where it's supposed to live. Haven't turned it on yet. Nothing's plugged in. My bodges still exist. Power's in the right order. Let's hope it does not blow anything up. Can't forget the postcard. Wow, we have all four lights now. I wonder if my bodges fixed something. Okay, hold on. Let me put a graphics card in here because this isn't blowing up yet. I like it. So here's the real big exciting test. Did my bodges fix the display problem? We're certainly getting green on the monitor. Wow. It sure did. Look at that monitor output. Gonna give this silly IDE controller one more shot to try and do something right. Let's see if it can talk to flash floppy. I know I keep saying flash floppy like that's this product's name. No, that's the GoTech. It's just running flash floppy firmware, whatever. No one really cares. Yeah, I'll be right back. Yeah, that controller card didn't do anything. Back to old Lazarus. So like the other motherboard, it wasn't just edit and QBasic that wouldn't run. It was like all sorts of executables and commands that were just failing to do anything. This is the original motherboard. I've got video working pretty well now thanks to that bodge, I'm assuming, but setting up the parameters for the hard drive, or the compact flash card that I have in BIOS, now only gives me the HDD controller failure, whereas I was not getting that on the previous computer, obviously, but this is still the completely, I don't know whether it's even worth using controller card, because the other one doesn't work anyway, so it's gonna try and read from a floppy drive, there's nothing in there, check this out, you don't want to see something stupid? Same exact emulator has worked great with the other motherboard on the exact same controller card. Runs like so slow. Look how slow those tracks increment. I don't understand what's going on. Like, I don't know what's... I don't understand anything. I mean, it gets to this point, it says starting MS-DOS. Sometimes it'll start MS-DOS. Don't know if it's actually going to now. Sometimes it does. Sure not reading anything off the floppy disk anymore. I just don't... What happens if I just reboot? We're just going to simply try and boot from this thing. There it goes. Try your best. To go back to the other motherboard, I have to take out like all the stupid little plastic standoffs, and this is so confusing and frustrating, and I don't know what's wrong with either machine.